So here is the outcome after all the kitchen chaos, and I made black coffee. As you can see, it's hot. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elsie, and today we are making breakfast. Yes, you guessed it, breakfast. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing lots of recipes, but also little bit of lifestyle videos here and there. Yeah, so just to show you what comprises of Elsie's world. So today we're gonna make eggs. As you can see, we're gonna make mushrooms as well. So these are the brown mushrooms. I normally cook white mushrooms, but they were out of stock, but I've cooked half of this, and I must say they do taste really good. As you can see, healthy, still very fresh. Yes, we're gonna cook this in butter, and we're gonna make bacon plus sausages. So hang around and I'll show you how to make perfect breakfast. So first and foremost, I'm gonna wash this, and then I'm gonna chop them up. You slice them up thinly, but not too thin, because they're gonna reduce in size. Yeah, as you can see, I like how nice these mushrooms are, and quite fresh, considering they've been in the fridge for almost a week and a half. And my white mushrooms, they do spoil up pretty fast. Pretty fast. So we're done. I'm gonna light this bad boy up. As you know, I haven't gotten ahead of my cooker, so we'll see if I can do it with one go. No. Yeah, second. Well, that's a record. Then you reduce your flame. Also, I like this burner because it's like two burners in one. So now we're gonna put a little bit of cooking oil and butter. So let me bring you closer like that. Cooking oil, that's enough. So we're gonna let it cook as we do something else on the side. So as that cooks, we're gonna beat our eggs. We need about 4 eggs. So at this point, we're gonna add the butter. Also, pray for me so that I can get somewhere to put my butter, because I buy the 500-gram one and I don't have anywhere to put it. So pray for me, you guys. Also, mushroom without butter and black pepper has no taste, according to me. Make sure you put your butter in there. It's already smelling like a 5-star hotel in here. So I'm just gonna beat 3 eggs. It's gonna be for me and Raymond. Oops. Why am I clumsy today? I don't understand. Ugh. I'm not cooperating. Like, finally I caught you, you little sucker. You're giving me stress. So yeah, those are some of the endeavors that happen, some of the things that happen in the kitchen. So we just roll with the punches, roll with them. Okay, now we add a little bit of salt, just a little. We don't want to oversalt our eggs. I think that's enough. We'll need more. We'll add a little bit of black pepper for tasting, and then we're gonna beat this up. Use a fork, it's easier to beat your eggs. Then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spread out this. As you can see, the mushrooms are looking even crunchy at this point. At this point, you can eat them if you don't want to add eggs. They are cooked. They cook very fast. So now we add our eggs on top. I'm gonna show you a close-up. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. You can see how brown our mushrooms have gotten, goldenish. That is flavor. Now back to our making our breakfast. We're gonna now wait to cook this. We're gonna cook this and sausages on the side. Let me start on the sausages. So on this other side, we have our panini getting hot. It's already hot. This is how it looks like. I bought it maybe 6 years ago, so I use it to grill everything, sausages, sometimes bacon. The problem is with the cleaning, so yeah, I recommend you buy it. You can even grill your meat with it, even your chicken. So yeah, let's go back to our egg. You have to be fast. Almost got burned. Almost. Whew. So now we have our plate here. Wow, this thing is hot. What was I expecting? I also don't know. So this was for 2 people, 3 eggs. So then we reduce again. And on our same pan, we're gonna grill, because we're not putting any oil in, we're gonna make our, what do we call it? Bacon. It doesn't have to be perfect. There is no oil that I've put, and you can already hear the oil coming out of the bacon. I feel like it's unnecessary to add oil to your bacon. So we're gonna leave it to cook for a bit. Look at the oil that the bacon has already produced. Like, it amazes me every time. It amazes me every time. That's why I never use oil. Oh, you can just imagine the taste. I love bacon. But if you don't like bacon in our breakfast, you can omit the bacon. On other side, we have our sausages. This one I'm gonna use my fingers, it's easier. Ooh, hot. Oh, yeah. And then we're gonna close it again. Grilled sausages. Don't stay too far from your bacon. You see, they've already started changing. This is where they burn very fast. It goes from 0 to 100 fast. To me, this is like almost there. Yeah. It's almost there. I think it's good. So I can switch it up. So that one is done as well. So for bacon, I'm going to show you what I do. I take my paper towel because I don't like the oils, and then I place it somewhere. Look at the oil that it has produced. This is a lot. So what we do is we place it on the paper towel so that it can soak it up. This is how it looks. So this will soak up all the oils. So our sausages are ready. So I'm gonna switch this off and I'm gonna put that in our plate. Oops. I can see disaster is waiting to happen because I've shifted. This is another, let me just put you guys down. So here is the outcome after all the kitchen chaos, and I made black coffee. As you can see, it's hot. This is mine. This is Raymond. He has already eaten some of it while bringing the food into the living room, so can't blame him. He's a child. So yeah.